Have you ever felt overwhelmed by data, but still unsure what to do next? As leaders, we're constantly making decisions that shape our businesses, often with limited information and mounting pressure. It's challenging. But what if there was a way to cut through the noise, to make decisions not just faster, but smarter? This is where AI steps in. It's not a replacement for leadership, but is a powerful partner. At its core, leadership is about understanding your team, your markets, your goals. AI enhances that understanding by taking the mountains of data we interact with daily and distilling it into actionable insights. But let's get one thing straight. AI is not about replacing human intuition or judgment. Think of it more as an amplifier. It takes the patterns we may miss, the opportunities hidden in plain sight, and brings them to light. Imagine being able to identify market trends weeks before your competitors, or spotting inefficiencies in your operations that were draining your resources unnoticed. AI does this not by guessing, but by analyzing thoroughly, objectively, and at the scale that no other human has ever done. Now, here's the catch. AI's greatest strength is also its greatest limitation. It processes what we give it. Nothing more, nothing less. This is where leadership comes back into play. We still have to ask the right questions, set the right priorities, and interpret the results through the lens of our unique challenges and values. AI doesn't lead, it equips us to lead better. The key is to approach AI not as a technical tool, but as a strategic one. You don't need to understand every algorithm. It's not about becoming a coder. It's about knowing how to leverage what AI reveals to make decisions that are bolder, more informed, and ultimately more human. Because when AI handles the complexity, it frees us to focus on what truly matters: vision, connection, and impact. So next time you face a tough decision, ask yourself, are you relying on old habits? Or are you using tools like AI to see the full picture? AI isn't the future, it's here, ready to transform how we lead. Let's embrace it, not with fear, but with excitement for what we can achieve together.